Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shikha Chakravarti and I am an image consultant and soft skills trainer. I have a good news for you all today. After the lots of requests from my students, I have decided to launch a series of videos in under soft skills training where you are going to have an in-depth knowledge about soft skills. What are soft skills all about? What is the difference between hard skills and soft skills? What are the most demanding soft skills in the market right now? And above all, how to improve and develop your soft skills. So without wasting any time, quickly subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of the videos coming next. So let's get started. So before we start with soft skills, first of all, let us understand what does the word skill means. Skill means it's a technique or a learning ability to do a particular task in an efficient manner, in a competent manner, so that we can produce results, so that we can show the results effectively. Now, you might have a knowledge about a particular thing. You might have knowledge about cooking, for example. But if it comes to implementing, until and unless you know how to implement and cook, that is your skill. Now, just to know about something is to have knowledge about it. But being able to bring that on ground and bring the results, that means they are known as your skills. They can also be your personality traits or they can be your habits. So, in order to achieve success in life, an individual needs to have two kinds of skills. Number one is hard skills and number two is soft skills. Now, what are hard skills? Hard skills are the degrees, the diploma, the knowledge of the language which you have, your knowledge of the softwares which you have, your experience. These all include your hard skills. But when I talk about the soft skills, now what are soft skills? Soft skills are the personality traits. They are your unique features and qualities. They less belong to what you do and they are more related to who you are. They tell your unique features and qualities. They make you different from other candidates. Now you will ask me, which is more important, hard skills or soft skills? So my answer is both the skills are equally important in order to succeed in life. If hard skills will get you to the job, in order to sustain that job, you will need soft skills in every level. In order to get promotions, to reach to the highest level, you will require soft skills at every point of time. Understand that if you are someone who, if there are two people who one has got 95% marks but is unable to mix up with people, his interpersonal skills are not good, he is not good in communication. And the other person who has got 60% marks but is extremely good in communication skills, but can make quickly, he or she can make friends. The first one might crack the interview and get to the job, but near future it would become difficult for that person to sustain that job. On the other hand, the other person who has scored just 60% marks but has got an extremely well interpersonal skills and he is having a good communication skills, this will help him to get promotions back to back, at the same time will help him to reach to the top point. So this is a difference between hard skills and soft skills. Both of them are equally important. At the same point of time, you need to work hard on your soft skills because they are the skills which you can learn and upgrade time to time. And those changes will be seen in your behavior and they will be absolutely worth it.